Let's go to Maui.
Today is March 10 and we're flying again to Hawaii.
Please make your way back to gate 33 and therefore
And we are going to Maui with my mom. So it's her first time going to Maui. She's so excited.
Maraming kamag-anak doon.
Maraming kamag-anak daw.
Kaya gusto ko sa Maui.
Yeah, she just wanna go to Maui.
And ladies and gentlemen, we have been cleared for departure.
Life is a marathon, a journey that we're always on. To the floor, hit the road, see everything under the sun. Whoa. Keep on running, pick up the pace, won't come naturally. Gotta keep on running, hard work pays eventually. Keep up the pace. Take a moment to cool down, then get back on your feet. Gotta keep on running, heading towards your dreams.
Hello, Maui!
Continue on Marriott Residence Inn for 1.5 miles.
So this one is only 800 miles?
Yeah. No, it's 814. 800 something.
Wow, it's really brand new.
Smell brand new.
Slightly used.
So this probably been out for a month only.
Maybe.
Take the next right, then your destination will be on the left.
Di ba nawala tayo dito noon?
Right here, Dad. Right here. Oh my God, Dada. Oh gosh. Daddy, you're not looking.
No, remember we ended
We
up on
almost
Your
missed
destination
it.
is on the left.
Wait, do I need to park? How can I get
Hello
ano?
again. You have to park there first.
And then
We're
can
back
get
again. We were here 2 years ago. Yes, this where we. Yes, this where we stay. And then we went to Grand Wailea. So we are here at the Wailea shop while waiting for our dinner at Tommy Bahama. There's Prada in there, Tiffany and Company, Bottega, Gucci, and LV. So I really like this mall. It's not busy.
Get the bread too.
Oh, the bread looks really nice.
Apa yung ito yun?
Come on. We clean up the appetizers.
Smell like I can eat more.
You still hungry?
Desserts.
Oh, you know what? They're coconut cream cake.
Desserts.
Yeah.
You're so full.
I want to try it this time. We gonna try it this time?
The tacos are like 90, so that's space. I don't know, we'll see.
So we just got our meal. I got the coconut shrimp. And then Daddy? That's a big burger. American burger. And Melody got the taco. Me and my mom have the same. And it's time for dessert. So this is
You know Chris
their
Isaac, right?
most popular dessert. Pineapple coconut. Is this a pineapple coconut candy?
Pina colada.
You know,
Oh,
he's from
piña
San Francisco.
colada cake.
There's a lot of it.
So they said this is a small size,
Yeah,
but
I like
this
that.
is actually for like 4
Masarap na.
people.
Yeah.
Oh, you like it? You like it, Mel?
Yeah, considering we're full.
How about you, Daddy? You like it?
Yeah.
Hi everyone, it's our second day now here in Maui and we are staying here at the Residence Inn Wailea. And every vacation has a room tour. Yeah, this room is big. It has a kitchen and 2 queen beds. And we just bought kaimito, fresh kaimito guys, and papaya and sweet mangoes. So I'll show you the balcony. So my mom slept here last night, but I think for 2 nights she's going to sleep with her relatives in Kahului. And let's go to the balcony. I want to show you the balcony. So this time we don't have an ocean view, we have a garden view, because originally we have ocean view with 1 king bed, but then my mom came with us, so we decided to upgrade and get a 2 queen beds. So we're just getting ready to go to Lahaina. You did your what?
Look at my hat.
I love your hat. Can I borrow it?
No, you don't even like the horse.
Okay, I'm gonna show you the bathroom. It is such a mess right now because it's our second day here already. I didn't take a video right away when we got here yesterday. We got here late and we're so tired. And we were busy trying to find a restaurant for our dinner last night. And then we got here, we came back here from the restaurant like it's too late already. It's like 1 o'clock in the Bay Area. Okay, let's go. We're going now? What? Aside from a nice, clean, comfortable, and spacious room, this hotel includes complimentary breakfast. Although the food selection were not as much 2 years ago, I'm still satisfied with what they offer. And with a high hotel rate in Maui, it's awesome to have a free breakfast before heading out for the day. The bar is nice, it's open air, sitting area with an amazing view.
Keep on running, pick up the pace, won't come naturally. Gotta keep on running, hard work pays eventually. Take a moment to cool down, then get back on your feet.
The location of this property is beautiful. It's quiet, easy parking, it is so convenient. And if you like shopping like me, it's just a short walk to Wailea shopping mall and some restaurants. Plus, they offer free shuttle within a mile range. The garden is very attractive. My mom and I enjoyed taking photos. They also have barbecue grills at the garden area for every guest to use, and we did that the last time we were here 2 years ago with friends and family.
The pool is large with plenty of lounge chairs and shades. Unlike other resorts like we normally do, no need to wake up early in the morning and reserve a spot.
We could be on vacation again in like 2 weeks.
Wow, you're becoming a jet setter now.
Malalim.
It's so deep.
That's what baby should be.
You're just short.
Up to my neck. How are you gonna record this?
I'm just gonna get the one that I like. Parang go sit pa para makita ko.
10 more minutes, we're gonna check in.
And then we can fly to Vegas.
Life is a marathon, a journey that we're always on. To the floor, hit the road, see everything under the sun. Whoa. Keep on running, pick up the pace, won't come naturally. Gotta keep on running, hard work pays eventually. Keep up the pace. Take a moment to cool down, then get back on your feet. Gotta keep on running, heading towards your dreams. Everybody keep running. Everybody keep
Yan.
May salog din dyan.
Wala ba? Aga
Nag-drive namin ako.
nagtapan. Wow. Pero hindi kaya kami na. Okay, beto ni ka.
I'll take a video.
Selamat. Sige, narawan.
Take you guys out ng video. Yung video lang.
Number 18.
Sela. We saw Sela yesterday.
Kita ba ba yung Sela? Yun lang kita na ni ate na Melody.
Ang andahan na. Nung ayun, may isa tinalasin na.
Then sit down. Oh, that one? More.
Bulalo. Amen.
Nagakal ka na eh.
Kaya mo, anak?
Bumatang ka itong bigat. Dato kumatang ka bigat.
Gakal ka, nagakal. Ayan, doon steros.
That's our longganisa in our hometown. Oh yeah? Really? Oh.
Here's my husband retaping our boxes after agricultural inspection. I was worried it won't pass because we brought so much. I was relieved until we checked in at Southwest. Then inspect the boxes again and it didn't pass the packaging requirements. Good thing Southwest are selling boxes and Ziploc bags. So here's some tips when flying with Southwest and you're bringing seafoods or other perishable items. Make sure to pack in a secured, leak-proof star bag in a secured box or container.
Pre-boarding. We'll be doing pre-boarding. For those of you who
Time to go home.
you must have PLB printed on your boarding passes and then on required in an exit row.
There are only 40 of us on board the plane. So we have our own seat. I mean, me and Javi are seated together. My mom is by herself and Belle is by herself.
Take a moment to cool down, then get back on your feet. Gotta keep on running, heading towards your dreams. Everybody keep...
We are back here in the Bay Area. Back to reality. Save more money so that we can go on a vacation again. Where's Daddy? Oh. We have 2 boxes of goodies. Yeah, Southwest gave us a hard time on this one. Although it passed agricultural, they still want to inspect it.
running. Everybody keep running. Keep running. Everybody keep running. Everybody keep running, 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 running. Everybody keep. Everybody keep running. Everybody keep. Keep running. Everybody keep running. Everybody keep running.